Help me, God. 10 fingers together, it's murder. I don't think it get better. I know. I pray to God, but I don't think he listening though. I be having my doubts, nigga, fuck it all. And fuck all of y'all that said fuck me, dawg. Promise y'all, I'ma show y'all better. I know my attitude fucked up. Ready to splash out, black out, cause they said fuck us. They ain't give a fuck about us. Look at our skin color from back in days and though. Ages ago, niggas know. Now we had to fight for some women's rights. Now these hoes acting like we ain't really pay the price. Yeah, you know, put the pimp hand down, you lay the life down for the broad. She follow your lead every time. So watch how it go in the thunderstorm. When it start raining, you know it's gonna get the pouring. Man, watch the brains, this Lord nigga ain't got to God. You know me, man, I still gotta pray to the Lord. No, it's still 10 fingers together, it's murder. I don't think it get better. Yeah. They trying to trick me out the street. They say I got beef with such and such. Where they at? What the fuck they need? What they wanna do? Where the fuck we gon' meet? Yeah, right there in front of your residence? I don't think so. Niggas know better. Niggas ain't gon' think better. Pop all the pills and let his brain fry cheddar. Cheese and breeze, you already know it's 30. Out here on this nigga head right now looking for heat. Fly birdie, nigga, you already know me. I'm flying 30, shit, nigga, first class, nigga, no coaching. Nigga, I'ma have to school this nigga, he ain't worthy. Shooting shots like James though. Niggas know I ain't finna play, this the aim though. I'ma aim fire for your head, no aim close. Fuck that nigga, what he came for? With all that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't get it. I'll read it to you. I've been crossed by 2 minutes. Close, man. Everybody that's close to me crossed me.